Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and a clean workspace because precision matters. First, remove the two Torx side screws and carefully pry the shell open with a plastic spudger, noting screw positions and ribbon routing. Once open, disconnect the battery so you don't short the board while soldering. Make sure to lay out parts in order. This reduces reassembly mistakes. You'll also inspect the joystick area for corrosion or loose pads before moving to the soldered analog module removal. Once done inspecting, you desolder the 4 joystick pins methodically so you don't lift pads. Heat each joint, wick away solder with braid, and test that the module lifts free without tugging traces. After removing the old part, place the new analog module, making sure pin orientation matches the PCB silkscreen. This is why alignment matters. Then solder each pin with minimal solder, creating solid, shiny joints. Make sure to ground the board and avoid cold joints. Good soldering prevents intermittent drift later. You finish by reconnecting the battery and carefully snapping the shell back together, returning screws to their original locations. Once assembled, pair the controller and run the calibration routine on your console or PC to center and verify axis response. This confirms mechanical and electrical success. If you still see drift, power down and reopen. Check for cold solder joints, missed pins, or debris around the gimbal and clean with 90% plus isopropyl. If necessary, replace the module again or consult a skilled technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.